Hey guys, Donnie Morrow here, eXp Realty, Memphis, Tennessee. Hope everybody's having an awesome spring. Just started out, and this week we are going to talk about indoor activities to do in and around Memphis, which is kind of neat. I'm glad we're doing this one. So stay tuned. Let's chat real estate. We're getting some beautiful weather. Like today when I'm filming, we have amazing weather. Yesterday was amazing. We've actually had a 4 or 5 little streak here about some rain. At the same time, guess what? We've had a ton of rain and a ton of storms, and you might be looking for some things to do inside for yourselves, for a hot date, or for the kiddos, whatever the case might be. So let's talk about some indoor activities here in Memphis. 2 things that are fairly close to each other, that are fairly similar, I want to hit on real fast. Main Event, Dave & Buster's. Both of them are out near Bartlett. Tons of arcade games, food, great for birthday parties, gatherings, sit-down restaurants in both of them. Both have a bowling alley. I mean, it's just really cool what you can go in there and have a great time doing that. And they both have bars if that's your thing as well. So pretty neat little places. Next thing is axe throwing. Civil Axe Throwing has 2 locations here in Memphis, one downtown and one off Sam Cooper. There's also an axe throwing location in Oakland from a different company, but keep that in mind. Axe throwing is a lot of fun. It's pretty neat. To me, pretty cool date night. They do sell food, they sell beverages at these places, so you can grab something to eat, grab a snack. You do have to be at least 10 years old, so be careful. Don't drive down there with a 5-year-old and then be disappointed. And you do have to wear closed-toed shoes. I think I can get all that out, closed-toed shoes. So make sure you wear appropriate attire to protect your toes. You want to walk in with 10 and you want to walk out with 10, so that's really cool. Can be up to 8 people in a group in a lane, so that's kind of neat. And of course, a bigger group can do multiple lanes. And it's probably a good idea, especially if you're a group, to check online and see when those lanes are available. Another great thing to do in Memphis is the Memphis Escape Room. I've done a couple of escape rooms, and man, they are a lot of fun, especially if you got the whole group where you can take up the whole room. Been really popular, been here for about 8 years now. Awesome indoor activity, and to me, it is all about taking a group. Get a group of 5 or 6 friends, get the room just to you and yourself so you can all work together and try to escape and walk out there without being frustrated with each other. It's a lot of fun. 2 locations here in Memphis. They have 10 unique rooms that you can choose from, so you can do it multiple times and get something different every time. And don't forget to check that website for availability. The Crosstown Concourse, this is a cool little gym that we have here in Memphis. I think people know about it now, so it's not a hidden gym, but it is a gym that we have. And I was actually there about 10 days ago. We actually had a team event there at the Crosstown Brewery. They took great care of us, did a great job. Place has got a cool vibe, and certainly every time I've ever been down there, I've gotten great service. People have been very friendly. It's in the Midtown area, the old Sears Concourse building. Lots of things to do there as far as having little concerts, as far as the Crosstown Brewery, the restaurant there that serves barbecue, which is awesome. Lots of great opportunities to take photos and pictures. Great just to visit for a date night with significant others and kind of have a little pit stop there to have a little bit of fun for a little while. And then there's Andy B's Bowling. So we've done team events at Andy B's as well. They've always taken good care of us. It's in Bartlett, great for family fun. They've got multiple rooms that you can get together, full snack bar, full bar as well. They do have food, chicken strips, pizza, that kind of stuff. That's all been awesome every time we've been there. They have walk-ins, or you can book online. And I know for us, the little side bowling alley there, we've been able to reserve a few lanes just for our party, and we've always had a great time, kind of in a semi-private setting, and it's always been a lot of fun. So check out Andy B's. Don't sleep on them. That's a great place to go have a little activity. We're gonna hit one more indoor place for you here in Memphis. Before I do that, jump down to the comments. Tell us your favorite places to go for indoor activities that maybe we didn't mention today, because obviously we're barely scratching the surface. But what do you like to do on a rainy day? What do you like to go do with the kids on a rainy day when you can't get outside? Obviously we have the Grizzlies games and concerts and that kind of stuff, but especially if it's something off the beaten path that's not on the news every day, I'd love for you to throw it down in the comments. Last thing I'm going to hit is the Memphis Brooks Museum. It's in Midtown, same complex as Overton Park, so obviously easy to get to. Great place for outdoor photos. The building was built in 1916, beautiful building, lots of marble. And the mission is to transform lives through the power of art, which is really cool. So if you're into art at all, you definitely got to check out the Brooks Museum. Every Saturday from 10 to noon. It is free to get in. So there you go. There's a bonus for you. I made you some money today. Got you in for free. And man, if you're into art, you got to check out the Brooks Museum. Super, super cool. So there you go. Some quick activities for you to do indoors. Maybe we'll hit some more next month for May because we know the kids are going to be getting out of school and y'all are going to be like, Donnie, please give me stuff to do with these kids are running around everywhere and you're going to need it. So stay tuned. As always, do yourself a favor, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of the content and like the video so other people get to see the video as well.